SCP-128 is contained as a Euclid-class kinetic hazard in a windowless blast-proof chamber watched only through protected remote systems. At the chamber center, a wheel must spin freely above 4,000 RPM. If it slows, personnel evacuate and foam nozzles deploy. Older procedures treated small objects as study material and possible boredom relief, until those same items became the chamber's central danger. The anomaly is an immaterial source of kinetic energy that moves along walls or near the wheel, conferring motion to non-living solids in sight. Opaque barriers block SCP-128, transparent ones do not, and darkness itself does nothing to interrupt the transfer of kinetic energy. Loose items under 100 grams can reach about 900 meters per second in a tenth of a second, with machine gun-like force. Even though SCP-128 has no visible body, forcing it below a 2-centimeter radius space risks heating dust until the container ruptures. SCP-128 will not accelerate people, animals, plants, fungi, or self-moving robots, but unpowered robots can still become projectiles. The recovery team first approached the case as a possible poltergeist, using tranquilizer pistols and old intangible Containment Doctrine. Field agents traced random kinetic activity to a private home. Then Mu-13 reached the residence and began tranquilizing the occupants. In the daughter's bedroom, the operation escalated from a hidden child to flying furniture, falling shelves, and marble-striking personnel. Delta identified the hamster as the apparent source and tranquilized it, but the kinetic activity did not stop and Delta went down. EMP containment failed, so the team backed the truck through the wall, shut the anomaly inside, and released a tornado cover story. Argent rejects the ghost theory. SCP-128 is a constant momentum hole, and the hamster was only a valve left stuck open. Argent's private concern is practical. Clearing the chamber had already become dangerous enough to require armored cleanup and body recovery. The solution comes from biology rather than physics. If the valve once involved a hamster, give the field a wheel to keep momentum occupied. SCP-128 remains Euclid, contained by line-of-sight geometry and a spinning wheel, but still able to turn loose objects into lethal projectiles.